The inspiration for this facade was to create a high-end architectural aesthetic that worked really well in coastal areas, but also in rural and suburban areas as well. The main features of this facade would be its overall contemporary style with its high-pitched, clean gable forms, the vertical grooved James Hardie axon cladding, which we use on the main walls of the home, and the aluminium window shroud around the main feature window. And then we offset it with rendered brickwork to the rest of the house. The Flinders facade is available in two different colour schemes, a dark and a light. We've chosen these two striking monochromatic schemes because they really complemented the facade form and help achieve a high-end architectural look. I think this facade is quite different to what we see already in the market, and we're really proud to be able to put forward a product like this and reach a new audience that maybe didn't consider volume builders before.